Joanne Alvitro's surveying the damage of what could be a lost season. At the family's landscaping and garden center, this is supposed to be the time of year when thousands of plants are growing, maturing, and selling.
How much of this do you think you're going to lose?
They'll have to start over. It won't kill the plant itself. It'll take the leaves off, and the leaves is what sells it, and the flowers.
Alvitro normally sells about $300,000 worth of plants a year, but because of this storm and a freeze a few weeks ago, she thinks she'll lose about 20% of that. She's scrambling to save Japanese maples, Alberta spruce plants, and boxwoods, storing them in so-called poly houses. She's one of millions in north-central Pennsylvania and western New York dealing with a historic snowfall for late April. It's left tens of thousands without power, stranded motorists, threatened highway traffic. Wayne Weineck supervises maintenance of roads in Moshannon State Forest.
Our concerns are that we may get some of the public back on our roads and end up having trees come down and block them in and leave them stranded in places that they really don't want to be stranded, because our state forest land tends to be very remote.
It's the new spring foliage and its ability to gather more snow that's especially concerning.
This is what officials are worried about, power lines like that being threatened by tree limbs that are so heavily laden with snow that they might bring them down at any moment. We're here outside the town of Penfield at a slightly higher elevation. Snow is almost up to my knees. It's at least 6 inches right now. It's still coming down.
Back in Falls Creek, Joanne Alvitro watches as her dog Taylor is the only one showing interest in her plants.
She will. She'll eat it.
You really do seem to love your business, but does this kind of thing make you want to get out of it?
Well, I'm 69 years old, and we've had years like this before, but as we get older, they're a little harder to handle.
Alvitro says she can make up for some of that with sales to local landscaping companies, but she'll still be scrambling to turn any kind of a profit this year. Brian Todd, CNN, Penfield, Pennsylvania.